Dear students, welcome to a review of the meeting that we had on March the 24th. We were going to talk about the task 3 to write down a class profile and the creation of a worksheet. The reason why I decided to create this Skype meeting was in order to talk about the COVID emergency and how we were going to deal with those points. That was the first meeting that we had, so we did it through Skype. On March the 16th, I left you the link to meet you on Tuesday. That was supposed to be March the 24th. And of course, I was letting you know how we were going to develop the new points of the new worksheet and how everything was going to be. And luckily, I cut and pasted the link in the file that was shared, but now it's not available, so I couldn't cut and paste that. I'm sorry about it, but that's the evidence that I have that the meeting was done by Skype. I will also try to log in Skype so I know and I have the evidence of the meeting that we had. I do remember the first meeting was done with Mr. Yesit. He was one of the first students to join in. And we were talking about the new situation, the COVID situation. At the beginning, we thought that we could go to the places that we were developing the practicum in. Then we received the new situation and we decided not to go there. So what we finally talked about was the creation of this group in order to have the meetings like scheduled and organized. Of course, the first meeting was done in March the 24th, and the meeting it's not here any longer, but there is the evidence of the meeting that we had. It says that we cannot see it anymore, so we had to record several times because it was impossible to create just one meeting, and we left the evidences in here. It says March the 24th. So I hope this works as an evidence. Thank you.